how to quickly take notes directly on the lock screen with your S Pen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, click on S Pen. After click on S Pen, you will see. Make sure turn on screen off memos. After turn on screen off memos, go back and you will see. If you want to quickly take note directly, so you will see. So after quickly take note, go back to home screen. So that's how you can quickly take notes directly on the lock screen with your